help you navigate the code for Floor 5. Floor 5 at this point should be pretty straightforward for you. Uh, Floor 5 is just your quotes, and so you've got some quotes that you need to put in the context, the code for. And so what you're going to want to do is when you go to your index.html, so I've got my page here. My index.html is already set up for me to add in my code. So find your fifth floor, and if you look right here, you're literally copying and pasting your code in. Now, one little comment, this is a bullet point. So if you want to change that, you can find different bullet points online if you want to change that there. In fact, if you want to make a little bullet, you could add a little bullet image there. Whatever you want to do, that's just a little bullet point. So that's what that is. You're going to copy and paste your quotes there. Now, let's take a look at the style.css and see what you can change here. Well, there's a few things that you can change on Floor 5. First of all, this background color you can change right here. So change it to whatever your font, your color palette is. You can go ahead and change that there. Everything is centered. There is some padding aligned to it. The text color right now is set up to white. And the text align is justified, okay? Now, you'll see this text floor, everything is set to uppercase. If you don't want that, you can get rid of that. So it's got this kind of uppercase look. If you don't want that uppercase look, you can get rid of that. Let's see, it looks like this right here is changing the color right here. Let me just double check and make sure. So again, a lot of it when you're working with web development is just seeing, like, playing around with, oh, that actually changed all of it. So this must be just the whole section. So we're really just worried about this right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and change that back. Okay, so what are some things you could do here? Like if you want to make your font size bigger, you could change the font size like that, and you can change the font size on that section if you needed it a little bit bigger, right? If you wanted to change it smaller, what else could be done? Again, there's quite a few things that could be done. What you may want to look at, again, is when you look at CSS fonts on W3 Schools, once you're done with your website, is just to take a look at some things that you could potentially, do with fonts. There's a lot that you could do with fonts. You could change the style on them. Oh, here's where the icons are. If you wanted to add in like that little, the bullet icon, if you wanted to find a bullet icon, you could find that. But anyways, that's basically what you're going to be working on for Floor 5.